Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sadanand. Now we are going to learn a trick for multiplication of 2-digit number and 3-digit number. It is very funny and easy to understand. You can find the product of these two numbers having 2 digits in few seconds. So it is very interesting. There are 3 tricks you have to remember. See, whenever you are going to sign in any of the matters, you should have to apply some condition. There is also a condition which you have to apply, that is multiplication funda condition to be applied. The first condition is that 2-digit number must be having same digit in 10 place, and the second condition is sum of unit place digit must be 10. So let us take one example, that's trick 1, multiplication of 63 and 67. Look at this number. 63 and 67 in 10 place 6 is same, so we have to take 6 and next to 6 is 7 and take multiplication, that is 42, and take the product of 3 and 7 in any place, we get 21, and write these two numbers close to each other. We get the answer 4221. Now to another trick, that is the multiplication of number near to 100. So we have to take the product of 97 and 98. Look at these numbers. 97 is less than 100 by 3 and 98 is less than 100 by 2. So we have to take the cross subtraction of these two numbers, that is 97 minus 2 equal to 98 minus 3, we get the 95, that is the same. So we have to take the product of 3 and 2, that is 6, and write near to each other, that is 9506. Take another example, that is the multiplication of numbers near to 100. Take the product of 103 and 107. So 103 is more than 100 by 3 and 107 is more than 100 by 7. So that's why take the addition of these two numbers, that means add 7 to 103 and add 3 to 107, we get 110, that is same. Then take the product of 3 and 7, we get 21, and write these two numbers close to each other, we get the product of 103 and 107 is 11,021. In this way, now take one more example that we have to understand, that is the multiplication of number near to 100, that is 96 and 105. So 96 is less than 100 by 4 and 105 is more than 100 by 5. So we have to take here the addition and subtraction of these two numbers. Add 5 to 96 and subtract 4 from 105, we get 101. That is the same number. But here one number is less than 100 and another is more than 100. So I have to take two zeros on that same number, 101. We get 10,100. Take the product of 4 and 5. That is minus 4 into 5, that is minus 20. 4 is taken as minus 4 because 96 is less than 100, and subtract 20 from 10,100, we get the answer 10,080. That is the multiplication of 96 and 105 is 10,080. So in this way we have to apply the conditions. Now there is another method of unconditional multiplication where we have to use here one technique, that is C plus S. That is the S for straight multiply, C plus for cross multiply and addition, and S for straight multiply. Take the product of 24 and 32, write it vertically, that means arrange it vertically. In this way, 24 multiplied by 32. Now take the straight multiply first. 4 into 2 we get 8, and take straight multiply of 2 and 3 we get 6, and then take the cross multiply of 2 and 2, that is 4, 4 and 3, that is 12, and add it, we get 16. Then write accordingly 8 as it is, 6 as it is, and add 1 carry from 16 to 6, you get 7. That is the answer of product of 24 and 32 is 768. In this way we have used this technique. Now there is another technique for taking the multiplication of 3-digit number, that is SC plus CS plus C plus and S. Here again S plus straight multiply, C plus cross multiply and addition, and S for straight multiply. So let us take the product of 233 and 152. Arrange it vertically in this way, and then take the straight product of 4 and 2, we get 8, and then straight product of 2 and 1, we get 2. Take cross product of 3 and 2, that is 6, 4 and 5 get 20, and add it, we get 26. Then take the product of cross product of 2 and 5, that is 10, and take the cross product of 3 and 1, that is 3, and add it, we get 13. Now take the cross product of 2 and 2, that is 4, and 4 and 1, that is 4, and take the straight product of 3 and 5, we get 15, and then add it. Now write accordingly 8 as it is, 6 as it is, and the carry from 26 add to 23, that is we get 25. Write 5 as it is, take carry from 23, add it to 13, we get 15. Write as it is, and carry from 15, add it to 2, that is 3, we get the complete answer 35,568. So in this way we can multiply the 3-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers. If you like this video, please comments, share to your friends, and subscribe my channels. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you.